Hi viewers, I hope all of you are okay watching my program and I hope you enjoy watching all my programs I do. I'm going to do now cabbage rolls with hot sauce. First thing I'm going to do the filling. To do the filling, what I'm going to do now, first of all, a little oil. I have got some ingredients for you. That is ginger, garlic, and I have curry leaves also. Curry leaves, because it's going to be for the filling, I need the curry leaves to be nicely broken into small pieces. While I am stir frying, I am going to use the liver, chicken liver that I am going to use. So I will use the liver, which I have already boiled a little and kept so that it will be easy for us to use it quickly. Along with that, I am going to use boiled chopped potatoes also. All that you put and stir fry this. While I am stir frying, I have to use salt, pepper, turmeric, chili pieces, chili powder, a little more oil. I put a little only. Stir fry this and take it. Stir fry, take it. Now what I am going to do is, in a glass bowl I am going to put, so I kept the spoon so that it won't crack. I need a little egg. If it is soggy only good, so make it soggy. Right, so that's one thing that we have to do. To make the cabbage rolls, we have to have the cabbage, which I took the cabbage, large cabbage I took, steamed it and slowly removed the leaves separately. And now I am going to put into this. Make it like a roll, we want these to be like small rolls. Now roll it like this and like a parcel. It should look like a parcel. To have it like a parcel, you can see how I have done it, because you put the filling here and then have it like a parcel. Got some more. So many cabbage leaves are there because we took one whole cabbage. I hope you can remember, one whole cabbage I have taken. So it's going to be wasted. Like this, you roll it nicely. Now we are going to make the hot sauce. So we will see the hot sauce, how it is made. To make the hot sauce, stock. I need the stock. So I have taken the stock, chicken stock. 1 chicken cube I diluted with 1.5 cups of water and taken, right? And along with that, we need 1.5 teaspoon corn flour. Dilute and keep it ready. Then we put the tomato paste, not the tomato sauce, the tomato paste I am taking. Mix it nicely. I didn't put the corn flour mixture yet. Just mix it nicely here. Chili pieces, pepper, a bit of turmeric and chili powder. I said hot. Hot means it has to be chili powder, about 1.5 teaspoon chili powder. We have to put on the cooker, add this mixture, stir once. Now I am going to put the cabbage rolls in it. We have to cook the cabbage rolls with that, because can you remember we put egg also in it. Raw egg we have put into this. Since we have put the raw egg, we have to cook this nicely. We have to cook this. That's how we have to make it. Sauce is getting thickened very soon, and only thing that has to get cooked is the raw egg. Now the raw egg is cooked. Already I have prepared this now for you. Now what are we going to do? We'll take off heat. Now it is nice and thick, and see the cabbage rolls in hot sauce. Now nicely pour it over this. Now I have got some potato cream. Add a little butter, mix it nicely, boil the potato, mash it up, and add a little butter to be on the safe side, a little bit of salt. Cream it nicely. Come like a cream. Using number 13 nozzle, do a little bit of piping. Just stars I have piped. Parsley. The potato cream goes very well with the cabbage rolls and the hot sauce. Onion rings. You can serve with parsley, no problem at all. So you could serve it. Now this is ready for us. This cabbage rolls with hot sauce is very tasty. With what are we going to have it? We can have with rotis, we can have with rice, plain rice, it's really nice, and the potato cream which I have done, that goes very well with the cabbage rolls. So try it out and see how it comes, because this is something different to the normal preparation. This alone is enough with rotis, or with whatever you like. You can have it with bread, bun, you can have with anything, or even plain rice is very nice, not fried rice or biryani. You can have it with the plain rice, very nice, tasty. And try it out and see how it comes, because these are the recipes I am giving you so that it will be really good for us to prepare. And I hope I have told you what you have to do. Tell your friends and ask them to subscribe, and you will all enjoy my recipes, what I am doing for you those days and now and after this also. So please try it out and see how it comes. Thank you for watching, and see you later. Bye from you.